Hello and welcome to Pune Times Mirror. I'm Srujna Deshmukh and today we have with us the star batsman of Kolhapur Tashkar, Ankit Bhavne. He is known for his remarkable consistency and solid technique. So sir, welcome.
Thank you so much.
And so my first question will be, you made your first class debut at the tender age of 15. So how did you manage to cope up with the pressures of domestic cricket at such young age?
See, first of all, you don't expect to play for the Ranji team at the age of 15. And, I'll just share with a small journey of mine. Initially, I started playing with the school cricket.
All right.
I did very good in the school cricket when I was 13. Then my parents thought, okay, he can do good. So that's how I started playing more.
Okay.
Then I did really well in the inter-district tournaments. I'm from Sambhajinagar. I represent Sambhajinagar. I did really well. Then I got selected in under 15 Maharashtra team. So तब तक कोई गोल नहीं था लाइफ में कि क्या करना है, कितना खेलना है, कैसे खेलना है. I did not know anything about professional cricket. So मुझे बस खेलना पसंद था, मैं बस खेलता था. So मैंने under 15 महाराष्ट्र के लिए I scored more than 1,000 runs that year, and we went on to win the under 15 championship that year. And Ranji Trophy is the last step when you talk about the professional cricket ना, कि एक domestic cricketer का जो journey होता है, Ranji is the last step कि आप 15, 19, 23, 25 then Ranji आता है.
Right.
But मेरे लिए वो बीच का सफर बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. मैं under 15 के बाद directly Ranji Trophy टीम में आ गया. So I'm very thankful for Maharashtra Cricket Association first of all, they have this belief in me कि ये Ranji team को represent कर सकता है. So I'm very thankful to them. And बस यही था कि यार कि पहले इनिशियली तो मुझे 2-3 मैच तो कुछ समझा ही नहीं ऑनेस्टली कि मैं 15 साल का मैं रणजी ट्रॉफी खेल रहा हूँ, तो वो प्रेशर क्या होता है, बर्डन ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या होता है, वो बहुत मतलब बिल्कुल भी नहीं समझता था मैं. I think I was very very young for that big level of tournament. Ranji Trophy is a very big and very reputed tournament.
Absolutely.
So yeah, initially मुझे कुछ उतना realize नहीं हुआ कि यार ये बहुत बड़ा टूर्नामेंट है and all, but I think जैसे जैसे टाइम गया, जैसे जैसे मैं यूनिट में सेटल हो गया, जैसे जैसे कोचेस एंड जैसे जैसे प्लेयर्स के साथ मैं जेल अप होते गया.
You started realizing.
Yeah, I started realizing
performing, and you are the
I'm performing also, and then I understood also कि okay, this level, if I want to sustain to this level, I have to prepare very well. I have to level up my game. I have to I'm not competing with under 15 kids anymore. I'm competing with this professional cricketers who are like 28, 30, 32. So काफी अच्छा था, but I think also it was a very good challenge, and I love challenges. So I just started working very hard on my fitness and everything, and then slowly I started level up things.
Of course, we saw your impressive breakthrough in 2012 and 2013 with averaging over 60 with 5 consecutive 50s. So what changes did you make to your game that season, and can you recount 1 or 2 memorable innings from the 2013 and 2015 period where you constantly saved your team from difficult situation, if you could tell us?
See, first of all, as a batsman, I love batting. So ये milestones मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. 50 कर रहा हूँ, century कर रहा हूँ. It just gives you some different adrenaline. It's so good. So as a batter, whenever I go to bat, I want to score a 50 or 100. And that year I scored consecutive 50s. Though every time I tried to score 100, but वो नहीं हो पाया कि वो 50-50 ही होते गए.
नहीं, आसमान को आप करोगे खजूर.
हाँ, बस ऐसे हो गया कि I was trying for that, but 50-50 मुझे मिल रहा था. I was scoring 50. That too consistently every game.
Consistency is the key, sir.
Absolutely. And I remember after my 5th 50, Kedar told me कि खूप बघितलं तुझे 50 आता, एक 100 होऊन जाऊ दे.
एक शतक पाहिजे.
हाँ, एक शतक पाहिजे. तू 50 किती करणार. But again, I used to play the situation very well. I think I have this thing in me कि I read the situations very well. Like when I'm batting, I understand the game very well and I bat as per the situation. I don't try to do over things or less things. I think मेरा काफी बैलेंस चलता है. So वो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं गेम में हेल्प करता है कि जो टीम को जरूरत है उस पे आके मैं सिचुएशन के हिसाब से खेलता हूँ. So I think that really works in my favor all the time.
I think this maturity is the key for the consistency.
Absolutely, and I think big thing is that कि मैं हमेशा से I've never had a coach in my life, so whatever I have learned is just by watching in the television or seeing my fellow guys play. So मुझे लगता है मुझे कभी ऐसा नहीं कि हुआ कि कभी मेरे टेक्निक में कमी आ गई तो
I have to message also for the viewers that आप reasons बनाते हो, but you said you have no coach from start.
Yeah, honestly, I never had a coach, so who can teach me the basics and everything. I did went to academies in Aurangabad, Sambhaji Nagar back then, but कोई ऐसे particular coach नहीं था कि जो मुझे सिखा पाए चीजें.
One to one.
Yeah, no, nothing like you know how it works nowadays. कि without mentor तो you're nothing.
Right.
So मेरा ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि मैं हमेशा से I was not dependent on anyone कि कल कुछ होता भी है तो I was able to figure out things on my own. So हमेशा मेरे फेवर में वर्क करते गया. So कि कभी भी मेरे बैटिंग में कुछ कमियां रह रही है तो I could just solve it on my own. So I think that really worked for me throughout the career.
Definitely. Again, your first class average is over 50, which is absolutely impressive. So what aspects of your technique? And again, you spoke about your mindset.
Yeah.
So what exactly is your mindset while you're on the pitch, while you have the bat and the pressure is on?
Yeah.
What is your mindset that time?
See, I just want to win the game for my team. Basically, whenever I go to bat, I do want to score runs, but I do want to win the game for my team. I think that thinking really helps me. जब आप टीम के बारे में सोचते हो, when you're not thinking about yourself, but you're thinking about the team. I just feel कि I'm not representing only myself, but 10 other guys also. It's a team game.
Yes.
So अगर मैं 11 लोगों के लिए खेल रहा हूँ, तो मुझे I have to at my best I have to think about the game. And again we have seen so many times कि जल्दी में बहुत सारे decisions हम लोग लेते हैं and then we miss out on good opportunities. So I always think यार जितना भी मैं prolong कर सकता हूँ, delay कर सकता हूँ, कोई भी decision तो मैं वो करता हूँ. So that always, because that's how I am in my normal life, कि मैं कोई जल्दबाजी में चीजें नहीं करता हूँ. I like to be like balanced and stable. So it really reflect on my game also कि जब मैं खेलता हूँ तभी भी वो आ जाता है. So and when we talk about the averages, so I take a lot of pride honestly कि
you should of course
कि बहुत कम players हैं इंडिया में जिनके एवरेज 50 के ऊपर है और जो 100 के ऊपर भी रणजी के मैचेस खेले. I played more than 100 games and I'm averaging more than 50. So I take a lot of pride in that. But again, the dream is to win the Ranji Trophy for Maharashtra. With all my records and stats, I still feel कि एक चीज जो lack कर रही है, that is the Ranji Trophy.
Our wishes are with you.
Thank
so
you.
Of course,
that's the goal basically.
With that mindset and maturity, I think दूर नहीं है आपकी मंजिल.
100%.
So talking about last MPL season, you had a stellar MPL 2023 season, becoming the leading run scorer with 363 runs, if I'm not wrong, with an average of 60.50.
Yeah.
You notched up MPL's maiden 100 with an unbeaten 105 against Ratnagiri Jets as well. So can you walk us through that innings and the challenges you faced and share your approach going through that tournament and some winning key moments?
See, MPL first of all is a franchise tournament. गाने चल रहे, लोग मैच देखने आ रहे, gives you some different feeling as a cricketer.
Right.
And you do want to do very well, because लोग आके मैच देख रहे. So see, Ranji and all काफी reputed tournament से, but ज़्यादा लोग मैच देखने आते नहीं because it's a test format. So T20 में बहुत लोग आते हैं and then you want to perform, you want to showcase your talent in front of those people. So वो मुझे एक अलग सा किक मिलता है ना, अच्छा लगता है.
The crowd cheering your name. What else you want?
Exactly, and you're playing your favorite shots and you're playing the inning and then people are cheering for you, appreciating your game and also मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So वही एक thinking थी MPL के पीछे, क्योंकि बहुत साल के बाद MPL वापस आया था, क्योंकि 10 साल हुआ नहीं था. And I think again I'm very thankful to association for this great event, क्योंकि उन्होंने ये वापस लाया है कि सबके लिए, not only for me but lot of youngsters are also playing and showcasing their talent in that. So काफी अच्छा लगा मुझे कि MPL वापस आ गया. And then I just wanted to do well for my team. Even Ratnagiri Jets के सेंचुरी के बारे में आप बात कर रही हो तो I'll just share कि हम चेस कर रहे थे 174 उस मैच में.
Okay.
And केदार आउट हो गया था, सचिन 10 आउट हो गया था, एक और बैट्समैन आउट हो गया था. तो सिचुएशन ऐसी थी कि यार कि मैं लास्ट होप था टीम की कि जो भी है कि मुझे पहुंचाना, और टारगेट इज फार. सो इसमें ऐसा था कि अगर 174 तो पहुंचना है तो मुझे मिनिमम 80, 100 है, 120 रन तो मारने ही है. बट मैंने बिल्कुल भी सोचा नहीं उसके बारे में. सो आई वॉज जस्ट बैटिंग, आई वॉज जस्ट बैकिंग माई सेल्फ एंड आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू बी देयर. And I was just hoping कि एक या दो लड़के, मतलब my teammates will come and just do a small cameo of 15 runs. And rest of the runs I'll take care of it. And same thing happened. I just kept on batting and दो लड़के, Taranjit came, Siddharth Matre came. They both scored 15 each at very crucial time. And I was batting from one end. And I just took the game to the last over. मुझे याद है मैंने लाइफ में हर सेंचुरी सेलिब्रेट की, बट मैंने ये सेंचुरी सेलिब्रेट नहीं की थी क्योंकि मुझे और जीतने के लिए 3 रन चाहिए थे. सो आई वांटेड टू फिनिश ऑफ द गेम.
Right.
सो आई स्कोर्ड द सेंचुरी विद द 6, बट मैंने सेलिब्रेट नहीं की बिकॉज आई वाज वेटिंग कि यार हम लोग पहले जीतेंगे, देन ये सेंचुरी से बेटर फीलिंग रहेगी कि हमको मैच जीतना है.
Right.
और हमने फर्स्ट गेम एक्चुअली ओपनर गेम वी लॉस्ट अगेंस्ट पुनेरी बापा, और पिछले साल 5 मैच का ही सीजन था. सो इट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस एज अ टीम टू विन दैट गेम. अगर वो मैच नहीं जीते तो हम क्वालिफाई नहीं होते, हम फाइनल में पहुंचते ही नहीं. तो यू नो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें होती है बिहाइंड द सीन, बट यू नो लोगों को ज्यादा पता नहीं होता है. बट दैट वाज द सिचुएशन दैट टाइम, एंड मेरी पूरी टीम, सब यूनिट, सबको पता है कि यार ये मैच कितना
प्रेशर
इंपॉर्टेंट.
मैसिव रहा यार.
Immense pressure, but again, I'm so experienced. I've been playing for so long, and I told you also that my nature in general is very balanced, so it always helps me in the ground.
The ground, yeah.
Because then I don't take impulsive decisions. Just like to take time. I believe I back my skills so much, you know. I feel that if I'm playing the game, I have to play like I'm the best on the field. Otherwise, there's no point playing.
No, of course.
Yeah, I have to play like a champion, and that always worked in my favor.
You played like a champion. You were the champion.
Yeah, so it was a great feeling.
Yeah. So now viewers want to know about your fitness and training. So how important do you think fitness and strength training are for a cricketer? And what is your fitness regimen like? How do you balance between skill training and physical conditioning to ensure peak performance on the field?
See, first of all, I feel fitness बस आपने स्पोर्ट्स के लिए नहीं करना चाहिए. It should be your lifestyle routine. तो मैं उसको उसी में मैं लेता हूँ कि फिटनेस आपको बस जाके 6 मारना है या फिर ग्राउंड में अच्छा खेलने के लिए नहीं होना चाहिए, बट इट शुड बी अ नॉर्मल रूटीन लाइफ. सो आई शेयर समथिंग विद यू कि व्हेन आई वाज 14 आई वाज वेरी थिन, बहुत पतला था मैं, तो मुझसे कुछ बाउंड्री भी नहीं जाती थी, 6 भी नहीं जाता था. आई वाज एंड पीपल यूज्ड टू स्लेज मी. सो आई टुक इट ऑन माय हार्ट कि यार ये आई मीन ठीक है यार, खेलना वालना ठीक है, बट ये थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया ना. यू डोंट वांट पीपल टू कम एंड से यार तू कितनी बारीक है एंड तुझे तो ताकत नहीं है. सो आई फेल्ट बैड एंड आई डिसाइडेड कि ओके शिट, आई वांट टू डू समथिंग to not to prove them but prove myself कि मैं चौका छक्का आराम से मार सकता हूँ. So I started training.
Right.
So all those guys who were bullying me, I became like twice of their size in 1 year.
Of course, where are they today?
Yeah, you can say that. So, but you know, इसमें से एक लेने जैसी भी चीज है कि कोई इसमें से हर्ट हो सकता था, डिसअपॉइंट हो सकता था, but I took it in a very good way. And
Definitely.
I didn't go for the revenge or something, but I just wanted to improve myself. कि मुझे improve होना है, मुझे अच्छा बनना है, मुझे अच्छे लेवल का क्रिकेट खेलना है, मुझे मेरा ड्रीम फॉलो करना है, मुझे मेरा ड्रीम जीना है, तो मैंने उस वे में लिया. And since then I've started working out every day, and I don't know, like seriously, it just become like an addiction to me कि यार इतना मजा आता है मुझे. I mean वो 2 घंटे जिम के I just feel कि okay fine, I'm living. I just love it to work on my body, work on my fitness, you know. And when you work so much and when you see the results, you feel so good कि when people come and appreciate कि wow यार you look so fit, you are so quick on the field, the way you run, the way you look, the way you present yourself. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है उस चीज में से कि यार ठीक है, I'm doing all this, you know, for a healthy lifestyle, but in a way it's helping me in my game also. So I would again say that, you know, कि आप अगर खेल रहे हो नहीं भी खेल रहे हो, doesn't matter, but फिटनेस, वर्किंग आउट, एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स आपके लाइफ में होना चाहिए.
ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज नॉट ओवरनाइट नहीं होता, आपका हार्ड वर्क ऑफ कोर्स जो दिखता नहीं हमें, थिंक दैट इज
ये अकेली ऐसी चीज है. आपकी बॉडी ना, आई ऑलवेज फील बॉडी इज अ टेम्पल. अगर जैसे आप बाकी चीजों को लेते हो ना, तो बॉडी इज टेम्पल. आपको उसके ऊपर काम करना पड़ता है, आपको उसके लिए स्वेट एंड टीयर्स है, उसके लिए हार्ड वर्क है, उसके लिए कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ता है, उसके लिए बहुत सैक्रिफाइसेस है, उसके लिए डिसिप्लिन है. सो आई थिंक ये सब चीजें आप करते हो तो आप में एक बहुत अच्छे हैबिट्स बिल्ड हो जाता है.
डेफिनेटली.
सो दैट्स हाउ आई टेक इट.
सो माय लास्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी, you're often praised for your solid technique and temperament. So how do you stay motivated? That's one thing. And of course now everyone wants to see you play for India Test debut. We're waiting. When will you come there and we see Maharashtra in the Indian Test debut?
100%. I mean that's the dream, you know. That's the last thing I want to achieve in my life, is to play for the Indian Test team. And I think I'm not far out. All I need is one good domestic Ranji season. You know, imagine हम रणजी ट्रॉफी इस साल खेलते हैं 2024 में, सारे मैच हम जीतते हैं और मैं सबसे ज्यादा रन बनाता हूँ इंडिया में. तो आई एम नॉट सरप्राइज कि मुझे अगले 15 दिन में कॉल आता है कि तू इंडियन टीम में सिलेक्ट हो गया. So that's how I'm taking things right now, and I'm damn sure I'm gonna do that.
I think your manifestation are
100%.
going to come true, because with your beliefs, morals, and your commitment to your work is going to take you till आपकी
100%,
मंजिल.
yes.
So of course, ladies and gentlemen, that's Ankit Bhave for you. Keep watching Pune Times Mirror for more sports update. Thank you.